Chapter 4 Multiplication. Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. Are you excited to play with numbers today? In this chapter, we are going to learn multiplication. Multiplication helps us add the same number again and again in a faster and easier way. Let's begin our fun learning journey together. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand multiplication as repeated addition, recall multiplication facts, learn multiplication tables up to 20, multiply two-digit number by one-digit and two-digit numbers, multiply three-digit numbers by one-digit numbers, solve multiplication word problems, use multiplication in real-life situations. Multiplication as repeated addition. Multiplication means adding the same numbers again and again. Example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equals to 9. So, we can also write 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Let us complete some simple multiplication facts and get ready. Multiplication facts. The numbers that are multiplied are called factors. The answer of multiplication is called the product. Example, 4 into 2 is equals to 8. 4 is the multiplicand, 2 is the multiplier, and 8 is the product. Important facts. Changing the order of numbers does not change the product. 7 into 5 is equals to 5 into 7 is equals to 35. When a number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. When a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. 54 into 0 is equals to 0. Multiplication tables. We have learned to convert multiplication tables in different ways such as repeated addition, skip counting, and by adding 1 to 10. Multiplying by 7. How do we read? 1 times 7. How do we write? 1 into 7. How many are there? 7. Product or the result? 7. 2 times 7. 2 into 7. 7 plus 7. 14. 3 times 7. 3 into 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7. 21. 4 times 7. 4 into 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 28. 5 times 7. 5 into 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 35. 6 times 7. 6 into 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 42. 7 times 7. 7 into 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 49. 8 times 7. 8 into 7. 7 plus 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 7. 56. 9 times 7. 9 into 7. 7 plus 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 7 and plus 7. 63. 10 times 7. 10 into 7. 7 plus 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 7. 70. Multiplying by 8. How do we read? 1 times 8. How do we write? 1 into 8. How many are there? 8. product or the result 8. 2 times 8, 2 into 8, 8 plus 8, 16. 3 times 8, 3 into 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24. 4 times 8, 4 into 32, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, 32. 5 times 8, 5 into 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, 40. 6 times 8, 6 into 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, 48. 7 times 8, 7 into 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, 56. 8 times 8, 8 into 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 and plus 8, 64. 9 times 8, 9 into 8, 8 plus 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 8 and plus 8, 72. 10 times 8, 10 into 8, 8 plus 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 8 and plus 8, 80. Multiplying two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers without regrouping. Example, 12 into 4. Step 1. Multiply the ones. 4 into 2 is equals to 8. Step 2. Multiply the tens. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. Answer is 48. Example, 19 into 5. Step 1. Multiply ones. 5 into 9 is equals to 45. Regroup 4 tens and 5 ones. Step 2. Multiply tens. 5 into 1 is equals to 5. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9 tenths. Answer is 95. Multiplying three-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. Example, 123 into 3. Step 1. 3 into 3 is 9. Step 2. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Step 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Answer is 369. With regrouping, we carefully carry the extra tens or hundreds. Multiplying by two-digit numbers. Example, 12 into 22. Step 1. Multiply by 2. 12 2s are 24. Step 2. Multiply by 20. 12 into 20 is 240. Add the product. 24 plus 240 is 264. Multiplication stories. Example 11. There are 145 marbles in a jar. How many marbles will be there in 6 jars? Number of marbles in each jar is 145. Number of jars are 6. Total number of marbles in jars is 870. Answer, there are 870 marbles in 6 jars. Example 12. A mathematics book has 92 pages. How many total pages will be there in 24 books? Number of pages in one book is 92. Number of books are 24. Total number of pages in 24 books, 2208. Answer, there are 2208 pages in 24 books. Multiplying by 10, 100 and more. To multiply by 10, add 1 0. 4 into 10 is 40. To multiply by 100, add 2 zeros. 5 into 100 is 500. This makes multiplication faster and easier. Real life use of multiplication. We use multiplication while shopping, counting items, calculating money, finding total objects. Wonderful work, children. Today, you learned about multiplication, repeated addition, tables, regrouping, and fun word problems. Keep practicing your tables, keep smiling, and always remember maths is fun when we learn step by step. See you in the next chapter. Bye bye.